This stunning water view home in the highly desirable Neal Community of Milano is a must-see. The Anthem II is a well-thought-out floor plan consisting of 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and a den. The kitchen is highlighted by solid wood cabinets with crown molding, under-cabinet lighting, tastefully tiled backsplash, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, closet pantry and a large island. The adjoining dining area and great room are perfect for entertaining or for quiet evenings at home. The den features recessed lights and large windows for a nice bright space that can be used for a variety of purposes. The owner's suite showcases a large walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom with large glass enclosed walk-in shower and dual vanities. The 2 guest bedrooms share a guest bath which features a tub/shower combo. The extended covered lanai with long lake views is the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or to wind down your day with an adult libation. Additional features of this home include garage extension of 4 feet making it 24 feet deep, impact-resistant windows and doors, additional insulation in the walls, and crown molding in most rooms. Milano has low HOA fees and no CDD yet has an adundance of amenities for its residents to enjoy including pickleball, bocce, pool, hot tub, dog park and a poolside fire pit. Milano is centrally located with easy access to I-75, downtown Venice, the beautiful Gulf beaches, the Atlanta Braves spring training facility and many dining and shopping options. Schedule your appointment today. This home will not last.